PCOS in 3 minutes. Did you know that 1 in 10 women worldwide have PCOS? But what exactly is it? PCOS, or polycystic ovary syndrome, is a common hormonal condition that affects women of reproductive age. It usually starts during adolescence, but symptoms may fluctuate over time. The condition affects an estimated 6 to 13% of women of reproductive age, and up to 70% of cases are undiagnosed. What is PCOS? PCOS can cause hormonal imbalances, irregular periods, excess androgen levels and cysts in the ovaries. Irregular periods, usually with a lack of ovulation, can make it difficult to become pregnant. PCOS is a leading cause of infertility. Symptoms. Causes. PCOS is a chronic condition and cannot be cured. However, some symptoms can be improved through lifestyle changes, medications and fertility treatments. The cause of PCOS is unknown, but women with a family history or type 2 diabetes are at higher risk. Possible symptoms include heavy, long, intermittent, unpredictable or absent periods, infertility, acne or oily skin, excessive hair on the face or body, male pattern baldness or hair thinning, weight gain, especially around the belly. PCOS can also cause anxiety, depression and a negative body image. Some symptoms such as infertility, obesity and unwanted hair growth can lead to social stigma. This can affect other life areas such as family, relationships, work and involvement in the community. The exact cause of PCOS isn't fully understood, but genetics, insulin resistance, and lifestyle play a role. Symptoms include acne, hair loss, excessive hair growth, and difficulty losing weight. But don't worry, PCOS can be managed. Plan meals, set goals, seek support, stay consistent. Treatment management. PCOS can be managed through a healthy diet, exercise, and medications like metformin and hormonal therapy. Early diagnosis and lifestyle changes can improve symptoms. Treatment. There is no cure for PCOS, but treatments can improve symptoms. Some symptoms of PCOS can be reduced through lifestyle changes. Eating a healthy diet and getting enough exercise can help reduce weight and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Birth control medicines, contraceptive pill can help regulate the menstrual cycle and reduce symptoms. Other medicines can reduce acne or unwanted hair growth caused by PCOS. Treatments for infertility due to PCOS include lifestyle changes, medicines, clomiphene, metformin or surgery to stimulate regular ovulation. PCOS is manageable with the right approach. If you experience symptoms, consult a doctor. Want more health insights? Subscribe for more.